Hey everyone, want to make a cute flower with just yarn and hook? Let's do it together. In this video, I'll show you how to crochet this simple yet very elegant flower step by step. It's easy, fun and perfect for beginners. You can use them on your various projects like clips, headbands, on your bags, and you can also even make a garland out of it. So stay till the end of the video because I'll be teaching how to finish this project with perfection. So let's get started. To make this flower, I've taken some yarn. This is weight 4 anti-pill yarn. You need a crochet hook. The hook must be compatible with your yarn size. A big eye needle. This is for final finishings. And keep a scissor handy. We will start by making a slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this. This end should be towards your right hand side. And now hold this and twist it once like this. You'll get a nice egg shape in the middle. So fold it and then you can see this is the end and this is the working yarn. Slowly take the working yarn outside. So this creates a slip knot. After making a slip knot, we will make 6 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After making 6 chains, we will slip stitch into the first chain we made. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop and make a slip stitch. So we have this circle now. Inside this circle we will work now. So first make a single crochet. To make a single crochet, insert the hook inside this circle, yarn over, pull up a loop and then yarn over and pull through both the loops. So this finishes one single crochet. After making a single crochet, we will chain 3. 1, 2, 3. After making 3 chains, we will make 3 double triple crochet. So if you are a beginner, you will be knowing basic triple crochet, but for double triple crochet, it is just as triple crochet, but we will yarn over thrice. In triple crochet, we used to yarn over twice like this. So in this, we will add one more yarn over. So yarn over thrice, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then insert the hook inside the circle, yarn over, pull up a loop. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the third 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. So this finishes one double triple crochet. After every stitch, bring the loops closer to each other. And now we will make second double triple crochet. For that, yarn over thrice. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook inside the circle. Yarn over, pull up a loop. And now yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. So 1, 2. We will make one more double triple crochet. So for that, yarn over thrice again, insert the hook inside the circle, yarn over, pull up a loop. While pulling the loops, don't stretch the yarn like this. This will ruin the texture. So keep it tighter stitches. So yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So this finishes 3 chain, 3 double triple crochet. So after making this, we will make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and make a single crochet in the same circle. So single crochet. As you can see, we just finished one petal of this flower. So we need to make 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you finish with one petal, bring the loops closer to each other because we need to make 4 more. So make room for next 4 petals and bring the loops closer to each other. And now we will start second petal. For that, exactly follow the same step that I followed for the first one. So 1, 2, 3. Make 3 chains and make 3 double triple crochet. So this is the first double triple crochet. Now we will make second double triple crochet. For that, yarn over thrice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So this is the second double triple crochet, and now we will make the third double triple crochet. So after making 3 chain and 3 double triple crochet, we will 3 chain again and make a single crochet inside this circle. As you can see, just now we finished 2 petals. So follow the same and make 3 more petals. What we did after single crochet. So for the next petal we made 3 chain, 3 double triple crochet, 3 chain and single crochet, and then 3 chain and so on. Follow the same and make 5 petals. After making 5 petals, I'll show you how to finish this project. So after making 5 petals, in the 5th petal I made 3 chain and 3 double triple crochet. After making that, we will make 1, 2, 3. We will make 3 chains as usual, and then pull a lengthy loop like this for about 10 centimeters, and then cut your yarn. Take this end, and now take a big eye needle like this So you can see this is the 3 chain, and this is where exactly we will insert our needle and slowly pull the yarn, and then insert it in between this 3 chain and double triple crochet. So this is how we will finish. After that, we will weave this tail and trim this tail. This is the tail from the beginning. So this is the tail we will weave now. So weave this tail, and you can trim this excess yarn. I'll trim this excess yarn and show you. So you can see this is how your flower will look like. If you enjoyed making this flower, don't forget to subscribe for more cozy crochet tutorials. Thank you.